Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a torch lighter for multiple uses. Mainly is for kitchen use, for your foods and stuff like that, but it has multiple uses. You could also use it as a lighter or welding. It's not as big as those big bottles for welding or for cooking. Anyways, this one is like miniature size compared to the regular ones that you see. This one has the high and low. So low will be for your cigarette if you want to use it for that. And if you feel like torching something, just put it all the way up high. And then it does have a 90-degree angle, so it will move up and down. This one is just more of a fancy looking one, mainly for your cigarettes, but it works for the same thing. But this one has a more concentrated flame. This one is a thicker concentrated flame, perfect for toasting up your ribs or whatever you want to toast, starting a fire. But we're gonna test it out with this aluminum can real quick. Boom, son, feel the fire. If you notice the difference, this one has a thicker flame. This one is a more thinner flame, more concentrated, like a pencil pretty much. But this one is more powerful. But anyways guys, this one does have, like I said, if you want to light up your chimney, you don't have to burn your hands. It uses butane fuel. And on the bottom it's rechargeable, so you can recharge it. It has a felt to it as well, so for grip. The other one does not. This one has a little bit of grip. This one, nothing, just metal. Anyways, link in the description down below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.